Papa, wake up. Papa, you have been sleeping since morning, no?
Therefore, is it against the law? Actually, I don't matter.
Papa, I'm ready to go to the markets. Give me money, let me buy things.
And you're not ashamed, even a mom. At your age, you should be feeding this family, not me. At almost half your age, I've already bought this car. I got to go motor, and I haven't gotten to your age.
Papa, just give me the money now. Give me the money. Let me go and buy this thing now.
Give you the money by force. This thing that you have is pet. I have honor. You think you're still a kid? Papa, give me this. Papa, give me that. At your age, you should be married with kids. I can what agree. Okay, go water.
Just give me the money. Papa, this one will not be enough. Oh. This one will not be. I go get book wine now.
Complete it. I'm gonna do what I have. Complete it. Don't work a cable. Your brother is there. You're struggling. You know, let me know. Papa, give me money.
You haven't seen something today.
Stop following me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Hey.
What is it?
Ask my father. Ask my father. I don't know what he's following me about.
Ozurumba, how can an old man like this not be able to take care of his parents? He works from Monday to Saturday without contributing a farthing to the family. Eh? Is that the right thing?
Papa, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? In case you have forgotten, I am still your son. In case if you don't like the way God created it, if you want to change hand up work of the cock, Papa, be my son, let me be your father. Swap it, let me be your son. I'm sorry, sir. My village just getting me angry.
It's okay, but Wokolo, take it easy on young men of these days. Don't put him under pressure. Leave him at the right time. This young man will contribute.
Ozurumba, he will contribute when I and the mother might have died of hunger. Eh? No. Then he will come to contribute to the family. Is it possible?
Ozurumba, can you imagine that? Can you imagine that, Papa? In case you have forgotten, I am still your responsibility. Look at Ozurumba here has 2 sons. 2 sons. Today is abroad. He's making big money. Very soon now he'll come back with dollars. Papa, send me abroad. If I did come back with dollars, Papa, don't call me your son. Don't call me your son. Can you hear that?
That's a point. If you people can make money somehow and send this young man abroad, like I did to my son, believe you me, the sky will be your limit. Uludia, there is gain.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Ozurumba, how can you give such a verdict? Where do you expect me to get money to send him abroad?
There are ways. If you people are becoming close to me, I will tell you. If you become loyal to me, all the things that I have, the way I do my things, until has. Uludia.
Now, Ozurumba, please beg my father to leave me. Let me be managing small the way I have been. Papa, I am contented the way I am. I am contented with it. Please stop following me about.
There is no how I will stop following him. I will follow him.
Papa,
anywhere he goes today, I will follow him. So that I will know what stops him from bringing money to the house.
You won't let
Perhaps something else must have taken the money.
I don't want him. Follow me. Papa, follow me. Papa, follow me. Try it.
I will follow him.
Papa, follow me. No, leave him.
I'm respecting you.
No, leave him. Let him follow me. Let him follow me.
Also,
follow me, Papa.
Wokolo.
I'm respecting you.
I have follow me.
Iwa, I salute you.
Because my man, honestly, you scared me.
Oh yes, well, it's like you goes out
Because the time I come to your office, you didn't there.
Oh, you're just coming from my shop?
Yes.
My brother, I'm so sorry about that.
Right.
Honestly, I don't know what came over my father. I just went to eat at home. My father refused me to eat it.
What? You does him what?
Nothing though. Ordinary food. Let me just eat ordinary food. My father refused. You know me now. I have to rush into the kitchen and collect food and eat, and he started chasing me around.
No. You see, you needed it. Because stooding up every day, not seated.
You know my job now. I have to stand to barb head now. I can't just sit down and barb somebody's head.
This your papa disturbing is too much these days. And well, finally you eated the food, Abby.
Go.
That's good. That's a central difference. You know, you eated the food, giving you
central difference. You know what I trip about you is this your dress code. Njiko, I keep thinking, how will your students see you always dressed like this?
No, my brother. Kitten like this making me a teacher. Without kitten like this, I weren't a teacher. And they could never be a teacher.
Wait. And this, see, I've been wanting to ask you this.
Okay.
This your normal vocabulary that you always exude.
Okay, yes.
All those your students.
Okay.
How do they manage to understand all those do they?
No. It didn't matter.
Let me tell you.
Knowing what I am taughting and not knowing what I'm taughting to them, it didn't matter. What matters much is that ending of the month, I went there and collected my money.
Go. Osuofia.
Central defense.
Honestly, you know the truth must be told.
Yes.
We are childhood friends.
Yes.
If not that your brother, your uncle, is the principal of the school, you know ourselves now.
Yes.
You know, you and I know that he didn't even go close anywhere, old school. Not to talk about entering inside class. Me, I managed to enter small, but I know I'm not perfect. But you know, say he didn't enter anywhere. Nobody's coming here now.
Let me tell you.
You wouldn't have been a teacher, you know.
You see all those things? It is God who does those things for me, not even my brother.
Go to God, okay.
Let me tell you, if I'm you, I couldn't worry saying all these things. It doesn't. In fact, it didn't matter at all.
Why?
Now let me throw you some here. Did you love to work as a teacher so that I would told my brother to slaughter you in the next teacher's teaching selections exercise?
Njiko, I know you're my good friend and you want the best for me.
Yes.
Yes. Leave me. Let me be collecting all those small money I've been making from my my office. And you go to your teacher and teaching practice and continue teaching. I don't want to deceive anybody. Let me do the one I know how to do.
Iwa, yes, we are going back to you. Yes, Iwa. That's your saloon job fitting to pay you much. Take, in fact, I am giving it to you. I'm giving it to you.
If this thing will turn to an insult, just continue and go. No, just go home. Don't follow me to my shop.
I'm trying to tell you.
Have you not finished loading this thing?
Papa,
Giving a load.
it's network now. Papa, I've loaded it.
Call him.
Papa is ringing. Hello, my brother. Jide.
I'm on phone.
Jide, wait. Papa wants to talk with you.
Give me.
Jide.
I bought the credits, not you. Hello, Jide. How are you? How is America? Well, we're okay here. I'm managing with your brother Chidera. So everything is fine. Well, what do we do? When are you coming back? In fact, that's the most interesting thing, the most important thing now. Next month, okay. This is good news. No. Come. In fact, I'm going to make sure the whole village stays at a standstill as you arrive. They'll be waiting for you to arrive. You know what your father can do. Asa is fine. Asa is fine. I think she's concluding youth service by next week.
Yes.
She'll be back by next week. That's why I say you should come back, so you people can conclude this your marriage is something. I want to have your children. Eh? It's all right. No, I was with Chief. No, I was with Chief. Yep, early today, and he gave me assurance. Yes, he gave me assurance that there will be no problems. It's all right. Natabagodu, come, work first. You don't speak to your brother.
One more.
Oh, my son.
Did they see if you're coming back, I want you to buy me all those designers in America. There's this one they call Versace and Timberland. But it's not my fault now. I know. But do you know that everybody in the village, they are worshiping Papa. Papa is going like this. He's going like this. He's just... Big car. Okay. Okay, hello? Hi, network. Papa, he said he's buying a big car for you.
For me?
For you.
That'll be good.
See, Papa.
This town will know that I have arrived as soon as the car comes.
Bam. See, Papa, it's not only you that will be driving that car. I'll be driving the car too. If I see gallop, I'll do Ugum. Anybody that wants to enter it, you wash his or her leg before you enter that car.
Chidera, pray that your brother comes with 2 cars. If he comes the one that has been baptized with my name, no other person is going to drive it.
No, Papa, I want to drive your own because he said he's buying a big car for you. The car is very big.
For me, it's not for 2 of us. It's not for us. It's for me.
I want to drive your own.
Oh, go and finish what you're doing. Bring him phone.
Papa,
before you finish my credit.
My brother is coming back very soon. Americana.
Come, let me show this town that I exist. Makaroma.
Thank you. Hi. How are you?
Mama Shaw, Ajuaya.
Stay away.
Yes, so welcome.
Oh, you look so nice.
Oh,
Papa is really taking care of you.
thank you.
Where is Papa? Let me carry the bag for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, shiny.
Look at Boka. Ma'am, I know it was his son. He always comes here to sleep. Eba! Okay. Can you not hear so? Papa. So you have come here to sleep. Papa. You use it as a sleeping place. Papa. What is wrong with you?
Okay,
Why won't I come? Why won't I come?
Papa, why won't I sleep?
I have come here to stay today.
Why won't I sleep?
I will stay here today.
Papa. Okay,
I will be here today to see how much we get.
Papa, it's one thing. It's a one thing.
Okay.
Stay where?
Since you started this, have you given me cover for snuff?
Papa, which money are you talking about? Money for food or money for snuff?
2 of them. Which one is not important?
Papa, you will not sit down here.
You are wasting your time.
Papa, you will not.
I will stay here.
Papa,
you can never.
Okay, say go on again. Papa, you will not stay here.
I'm staying here to see how you do your job.
Papa,
no wonder. Every day.
Papa,
Money.
Papa,
I will not.
Papa,
leave
should not
here.
feel simple.
I will not live here.
Papa, should not feel simple.
I must see the end today.
Papa, should not feel simple.
I must see how much you get today.
I thought that Ozuma took you home. Papa, should not feel simple.
He saved you.
Ozuma saved me.
He saved you.
Papa, what can you do?
It will finish today.
I got caught. Papa, should not feel simple. Papa, should not feel simple.
It can't happen today. Papa, I must sit here.
Papa, not feel simple. Papa, leave my office.
You have not seen.
You will not sit down here.
I will sit here.
Okay, now let's watch.
That means you will not walk.
You won't.
Although you were sleeping.
Oh, can you do it when you get?
Look.
Can you do it? Obi, thank God you are here. Obi, you know how I respect you in this village. Tell my father to leave my office. Or never not come rubbish. Now in my office.
His office meant for sleeping. He's been working here for donkey days, donkey months, donkey years without bringing cover in the house. Papa, even a snuff, even money for snuff, he cannot provide
Papa,
it.
will not
And
give
today
you... Don't I have the right, as a citizen of this village, to sleep in my office? On our question. Papa, okay, say, okay, so I'm again. Papa, okay, say, I'm again.
a man of...
Now, when you man, he came to my office and said I will not work. Why? Tell me, why wouldn't I sleep in my office? Since there's no customer for me to barb head, why wouldn't I sleep? But why can't have him off him?
Can you hear him?
Tell him to leave my office.
A man of his time sleeping in his office.
Obi, come and please think after you have from office him. Obi, why can't have from office him? He man get to the border. Let him leave my office.
I can roll about that. I can roll about that.
Now, go immediately. Tell him that I want him here in the evening.
Yes, Your Highness.
You know, these are great things. Oh, my daughter. Asama.
Good afternoon, Nai.
You know, I was just telling your father here how blessed this your marriage to my son is going to be. It's going to be made in heaven. Just talk of the devil. I'm telling you, the best that will come out of this community. Really? Igwe, if you see how my son is planning this thing, in the first place, he ordered cars, jeeps, other types of cars. I don't know what he's doing with a lot of cars. He said he wants to dash some people, jeeps, so all brands of cars. Igwe, let me reveal a secret. He said one big jeep is for you. No, myself. I thank you. Oh no. That was what he told me anyway. You on your own, you don't even need to be sad about it because from what he said, yourself, myself, and Chidera, he's taking us to America.
America?
Proud of your son. And that's why I betrothed my daughter to him.
Hey, Papa, I just wish Chidera will marry Oma so that all of us will go to America together.
You see that Oma's case? I will handle it.
Okay.
That's the type of in-law I want. These two people love themselves, but you know all these young people, all these semantics. The girl is doing semantic and not the one to fall first. My young boy is saying, I am the man. Women should come to me.
Do you know what? I am happy to have you as an in-law.
And what of me? This is a royal marriage. I'm marrying my two sons. I'm marrying from a royal family.
Oh, Papa, this is too good.
See, don't worry about Thomas' own. I will take charge of it. Yes. The two of them are going to get married.
Sure.
Double marriage. Royal marriage.
I'm going to America. Papa, we're going to America.
Yes,
This is good.
Papa, I don't like the way you're treating me in this village. At times, I wonder if I'm your true son. What's the meaning of this now? Papa, can't you just go? Papa, go home now. Go home, let me concentrate in my office.
I will be here till you finish today's work. Because you are going to bring money for soup today. Let me tell you.
Papa, you've been here since morning. You've been here since morning. How many customers have you brought to this office? Not even one. I don't know the kind of bad luck you brought to my office today. Ever since morning you've been here, have you brought any customer? Not even one. Have you brought any customer here?
Now I can go. Just
Tell
me with the people not coming.
He want the whole day to go before I'm going to Manda.
They will come.
Who are they?
They will come.
And what is it?
Good day, Wam. How are you?
Well done.
I
cut my hair.
Ben, my brother, please come and sit down.
Sit down. You see it?
You see what?
You are preparing. Have you told him the price?
What is the meaning of this?
Tell him the price.
Why are you embarrassing my customer now?
Eba, has the price changed from 100 naira to another one?
Please, Ben, don't listen to any other person in this office. Oh?
Okay, bring the money. Now, let me go. Eba, has your policy changed? Is it no more payment after service?
Please, Ben, don't listen to any other person in this office. Oh? Any other person here is a ghost, except me. Oh? Because don't listen to anybody.
Do it quick, because another person will...
What is your problem? Why are you embarrassing me? But what's your problem? Mbamba, everything here, man. Papa, leave here, oh. Leave here, oh.
Will you beat me?
Don't let me embarrass myself in front of my customer.
No. Will you beat me?
Not now, but I will still beat you.
Go and do it.
Hey.
Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Don't mind him.
Who is that? Hey, stop. Hey, stop, for you. What's up, man? I want to saw you, but give me him. Princess, you need to go.
Guys! Look at my two princesses doesn't do exercises.
Njiko, good morning.
Morning.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
You will not kill us in this village. This is your grandma. Oh.
You are doing your exercises.
Yes, Njiko, we're doing our morning exercises. That's how we do it at the NYC camp.
Oh, good. Oh, you can have no central defense. Good, goodness to your body and to your health.
Are you serious? This guy.
Njiko, you and this your grandma. You will not kill us in this village. Oh.
How can I? To avoid answering for, committing society.
I wonder what it is just children in school.
No, don't bother. I'm teaching them in technology and scientists.
Boy, Njiko, every time you and this your tie, you are going to church, you're wearing tie.
You go to the kitchen, you wear tie. Must you wear tie?
Oh my dear. Well, it's good, wearing ties always. If not, I'm wearing the teacher.
Njiko.
What a central defense. That's a mark of a central defense. Oh, please, can I join in to do that exercises?
You want to join us?
Of course.
Aren't you going to school today?
May not. For the fact you are here.
You don't need to. You get dirty. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. Well, but I couldn't remove it. And besides, if it didn't dirty me, dirty the clothes. If it didn't dirty my clothes.
Oh my God.
Meanwhile, I come to sing Igwe, Yes.
He's not in.
Okay, he went out.
Yeah.
He went out.
Yeah.
Oh, in that case, let me went in home, From there, I go school. Okay. Oh, no, greeted him.
All right, now, later.
Yeah, thank you.
Oyibo gadira dị n'afịa ngwongwo na onye nkuzi onye elu oge nso iwolo oyibo sụwapụ ya anya ngwongwo na onye nkuzi ọsụsụ oyibo dictionary adọkasịa ngwongwo na onye nkuzi I come to your office you didn't dey ngwongwo na onye nkuzi ka bụzikwa oyibo njikọ na asụla anyị ngwongwo.
My daughter.
We are going now.
Not matter. It's well. Only you have not done what I asked you to do.
Don't worry. I'm doing something already.
Ada, what are you still doing here?
Bonum generator.
I'm going to keep on with generator. No, no, more. Papa, you keep on with generator. And never not boss. I won't go to have what you would have done. Unless the mother can come, Mama. Only a couple of the water. When I progress in mother. Enemies of progress, you know now, the witch. And we're going to keep on with generator, ordinary generator. Your mate, all remain your mate now 1 minute. Oh, they wait now 1 minute. I want to know so many, not to get boogie. I know, Papa. Come on, back and boogie me. You are a man who generator. Oh, you begin at 1 minute.
It's very heavy now.
Everything in this house, anyone I didn't do, that one will remain like that. Because Brunia, I got to the here, I'm not going to shake. Oh, yeah, go.
But let's go now.
Eh?
Njenu.
Njen can the wedding. Kaigan can. Adawetaka. Bring your hand, let me marching. Bring. Okay, don't you know the way to my office? Imaro's office. I said, let's go. Come on, get out of here.
Talk to her gently.
Papa, as you continue to your go. As you continue true to God. Can you hear me yesterday? Let it not happen again. Let it be the first and last. Because can you hear me now? Like Papa, I'm going to have go. Papa can't care. Ozuma helped you yesterday. You know what would have happened? Let's go, baby. I don't want to. Jack I'm walking as idiot. Just come with this in the boat. Come on, skip out from your idiot. I will walk. Yada can we go up with idiot?
Talk to her gently, my friend.
My friend, come here, I got so idiot.
You coming now?
Ada. Mwaga ka tumapu gozunte. Yaki urara ngo bia urara. Tata.
Nai.
Ogini kwa ozota. Upon all you told Igba last night, you are still tackling him this morning. Eh? Hapuni Igba aka, leave him alone.
Ned. Eddie, don't just start this morning. Oh. Don't start this morning. Eh? Your son, Igba, is old enough to cater for his parents.
Igba will. He will, with time he will. Not the way you are tackling him.
Don't just provoke me this morning. Do you hear me? Ozurumba's son will soon come back from America and he will start to dash people motor, dash them clothes, dash them money. This your son, this your very son, is older than him. Don't you know?
Eh? Was it not Ozurumba that sent his son to America? Send Igba your son to America too.
Ned, you want to provoke me this morning? Oh? Do you know that? Ned, don't just provoke me this morning. Do you hear it? Don't make me be annoyed. Will you get inside and give me food? Let me eat and get away from here.
I'm just telling you to take it easy on him.
Continue to pamper him. That's the kind of children you are giving me. Even my daughter cannot even do what others are doing. Eh? She cannot make way for herself. Every year abuse a boy, every year abuse a boy. Don't you see what others are doing? That they cater for their parents. He is old enough to cater for us. Then father hates son. Because I'm trying to correct him. To make him become a man like others. Do you think Ozurumba sent his son over us only single-handedly? The mother contributed. What have you contributed? Nonsense.
My son day, me too I day, you one day, my pikin in America, in the chop with Obama, they live for White House, very soon, he go come back with dollars, come back with pounds, and many other things, we go to share jeep, one after the other, we go build bank for our village square, they go you go. America, Macau, Okobodo Ibo, America, Macau, Okobodo Ibo, for this town, na me dey rule. Okwasi no ye jibu ke unesi. One day, my son day, me too I day, you one day. My pikin in America, in the chop with Obama, they live for White House. Very soon, he go come back with dollars, come back with pounds, and many other things. We go to share jeep, one after the other. We go build bank for our village square. They go you go. America, Macau, Okobodo Ibo, America, Macau, Okobodo Ibo, America, Okobodo Ibo, America. For this town, na me dey rule. Okwasi no ye ji.
Igba, ha, Odogwu oke. Okay, my brother, come and sit down, please. Come and sit down. Hey, sit down, my brother. Hey. Hey, whoa. You're welcome, my brother.
Nice with my neck.
Oh, sorry, my brother. Sorry. Ada, what are you still doing here? Won't you go home?
But I don't want to go home yet, though.
As what? As my customer or my assistant? Ada, you better stand going on. Can you imagine this girl?
Papa will not be happy if I come home.
Ada, before I close my eyes and open it now and you're out of here. Ada, 1, 2, idiot.
I'll tell Papa you chased me.
No, go call God and tell them I chased you out of my office. Idiot. Can you imagine this girl? What kind of sister is this?
That's it, no.
She has already joined my father to come and give me headache in my office. Idiot. Come on, wait again. My brother, sorry, please. What hairstyle do you want to?
Carving.
Okay, carving. Please, let me go and start my generator. Beg, no verse. I'm coming. Can you imagine?
You don't get brush here, sir.
For this town, na me dey rule. Okwasi no onye ji igwu ka ewu na-eso.
Ada diorama, omalicham, tomato juice.
Chidera, Ogini, what is it?
Omalicham.
K-Hall.
Omalicham, you did not say good morning to me. I never said zoku, eh? Okay, since you did not want to say good morning to me, I'll be the one to tell you good morning. Omalicham, good morning.
There is no law that states that the woman must greet the man first. Good morning.
Anyway, Sha, where are you coming from?
What is your business? Chidera, do you have any business with where I'm coming from? Anyways, I'm coming from my brother's office.
Omalicha, but you promised to come the other day and I did not see you. Do you know I was at home waiting for you? I did not see you. You did not come. Why?
Because I didn't want to come. But I don't want to.
Omalicha, wait, does it mean that this love I'm showing you, you're not seeing it? Wait, Omalicha, do you mean that you're not seeing this, my love? Look, Omalicha, let me tell you, Chidera is hot, I am hot in this village. Do you know this village? Omalicha, why are you doing this? You're missing me. Omalicha, you're missing me.
What am I missing? Anyway, point of correction. Chidera, my name is Ada. Stop calling me this. Omalicha, puff, tomato juice. My name is Ada. Call me Adako. For being interested in you, I can never be. You can go to Choma or Ogechi. They might be interested in, but for Adako, she can never be interested in you, Chidera. Leave me alone.
Hey, okay. You are not interested, Abi. Oh, don't worry. So you have forgotten that my brother is in America, Abi? Okay. Very soon, very soon, you will be interested. In fact, you will be over-interested. Don't worry. You have forgotten that my brother is in America, Abi? Don't worry. Let me reserve my comment. We will see. Okay.
What I am saying is that those people collecting sand from our gutters should not be stopped as long as we are making huge money from these people.
Igwe, you know what is at stake. How can we allow outsiders to come and pack all the sand that my son is supposed to use to develop this community? You know he has a lot of constructions and reconstructions to do. Where are we going to get sand if we allow outsiders to come and take it? What's he talking?
Wait. Elders, we should ask those people who are collecting sand for that place to stop with immediate effect. Igwe, why?
Are you deaf? Are you not hearing what they are talking about? That Ozurumba's son in America is coming back in 2 weeks. And he's going to build a lot of things for this community.
And with the sand, possibly.
No. Let Kagaribu. Okoro wants to take over what my son wants to do for this community. Okoro, do it. I'm going. I am going. Let's leave Okoro to do it. You don't have to. No, let us leave Okoro to do it now. He wants to do it.
You don't have to sit down. Do that. Sit down. Eh? Ozurumba. When I was Nketa Lacha says a level. We in majority are behind you. What are you? Forget about him.
What is your problem? What exactly is your problem? Eh?
Better apologize to Chiozurumba immediately. Apologize to him.
I am sorry. I'm very sorry.
Better.
I'm not God. I don't even intend to be one. God. What I'm saying is, something good is coming to our place. Yes. We should all embrace whatever it is and get the goodies out of it. What else? My son promised to get a lot of vehicles, and I'm sure if he's not taking, Okoro here is going to benefit from one of the cars. Oh. And he's trying to put spanner in our works. Why? He's dashing out cars. Igwe, I told you about it. Yeah, Igwe, I told you about the roads that have to be leveled. He's coming with a convoy. So all those roads need to be leveled so that you don't experience
yes.
gallop.
You are correct, Ichiozurumba. I will ask some of our youth to come to you immediately after this meeting so that you show them the places to be redressed. Oh, this is great. I thank God. Thank God for sending Ozurumba's son to America.
Exactly. Ozurumba, you are now the redeemer we see and we know.
Yes.
Please, help us beg your son for us.
Yes.
Well, there is no point begging my son. He has already brought out his mind to do it for this community. All I'm asking is for us to give loyalty to the Igwe, support to the man who said he's going to develop this community. My family. That's all.
My elders, I advise that we become supportive to Ozurumba's son, so that everything that is good for our community will come into this place.
Exactly. Simple. Ozurumba, you have my support. I, Okoro, 100%. Let us pack in the sun. Stop. Let you stop.
Mama, what is it?
Good morning.
No, Mama. What is it? What are you doing here?
Come on now, take it easy. I came to check on you. How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Where are you coming from?
Is it your business? Why are you asking me?
Come on, take it easy. We're not fighting. Why don't you treat me like a lady?
I just went to buy fish.
Oh, that's nice. Well, Chidera, I've always wanted to tell you that. Okay, wait. It's okay. I really like you a lot. A lot. I just want you to like me back and reciprocate my love for you. Alright?
Oma, how can you tell me that you love me? Are you not the one doing big girl for me because you're in the university?
How can you say that? I like you so much, but whenever I want to come around you to show you how much I bleed for you, you don't give me the face. You just do me anyhow. It doesn't make sense. Or am I not beautiful?
I don't give you the face. Yes. But I do come to your house. You don't talk to me. You like doing big girl. So.
Oh, come off it. Okay, you know what? Let's just forget this long talk. Let's just go inside. Let me help you do a few things, arrange things.
Listen, Oma, I'm surprised. So this one, you're telling me that you love me and you do that. Is that you?
It's me. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Let me just drop that thing in my room. Then we'll go to the kitchen. I don't know. Oma, is that you?
It's me.
I'm surprised, though. I don't. This one you're touching me. I don't know. Why are you touching me like that?
Let's go.
For this town, na me dey rule. Okwasi no nye jigu ke uneso. One day, my son day. Me too I day. You one day. Yes.
Good morning.
Morning. Please, tell all the youths that my son is coming.
Yes.
If I get them.
Yeah, I just for Abata.
Oh yes, so you don't first.
Let me.
America in the chop with Obama. They live for White House. Very, very soon, he go come back with dollars, come back with pounds, and many other things. Chai. We go to share Jeep, one after the other. We go build bank yo for our village square. Chai, they go you go. Ami yo, ami.
Nice, good morning.
Mama. How are you? Please, my son is coming back.
Yes.
I want you to spread the message around. Okay. I'm going to invite you people specially. Come with your friends. If I never go,
exactly.
Jinova will sing.
Okay, nice.
Hey, Ogechi, you have eziokwu. This is true.
My dear, I am so happy. Can you imagine? I'm so happy, Ade Rikwala. That's if she agrees with Chidera.
Oh, you're right. I will start going to their house. Oh.
Yes, now. Are you stupid or so? What is wrong with you? Bia, when I can't question again before. Answer me.
Ogechi, you're calling me stupid. Is your house not closer to their house?
That is the reason I should be the one going to their house anytime I please.
Yet, Chidera did not come after you. Did he?
Makaitipa, let's bet. That does not like Chidera, isn't it? Watch and see me in action.
Ogechi, bia. Why are you always talking like this? Why are you sounding like this? Why not give me the chance? After all, Ben is your boyfriend. Hey, you okay?
You go check for Ben. Who is Ben? Forget Ben, Joe. Ben, I got to go America before. I got to go America. On moto. Forget that thing. Ejitofo is coming back with too many cars. So much money. Use this your head and know how Chidera's life will be when he comes back.
You're right though. Plenty money. Too much cars. Anyway, if he likes you, fine. If he likes me, better.
Yeah, I'm checking for a man like you can call if he likes
what
me.
What are you saying?
Please.
I told you that the girl is going to be. Now she hasn't come to the party.
Hey, Papa. If Fana so, that girl she can cook. No, Papa, do you know how they respect you in this village? Papa,
let's go to the castle.
Okay. Oyibo gadira dị n'afịa ngwongwo na ngwa onye nkuzi onye elu oge nso iwolo oyibo sụwapụ ya anya ngwongwo na ngwa onye nkuzi ọsụsụ oyibo dictionary adọkasịa ngwongwo na ngwa onye nkuzi I come to your office you didn't dey ngwongwo na ngwa onye nkuzi nke a bụzikwa oyibo njikọ na asụla anyị ngwongwo na ngwa onye nkuzi if not a warrant
office man office man no you're back from school.
Yes, of course. You sleep in your office. Why?
Nah.
Why?
What kind of question is that now? Can't you see there is no customer here? Or will I barb myself? There's nobody to barb here now.
Ewa! Your little sense would have done you a lot of good. Went outside, ring a bell of advertisement, and people will keep, came in here or even dragging your creeper. You are here, sleep in duty. Why will you sleep in duty? Anyway, I am here based on one central defense. Central defense, in the sense that what is you saying about the Igwe two daughters? Weren't we going there again?
Is it today?
In today now. Central defense. Aye. Oh, you forget it.
Aye. It's like that thing will have Keleg. That visit will have Keleg. Because it's during the evening now. I get customers now. All my customers do show up during the evening. That's when I make enough money. Except we can go now. Can't we go now?
Does I know your schedules? I doesn't know your schedules. Told me your schedules, then I myself will open up. But see, as I came here now, on my way to here, are you with me? I saw Onowu. And not only that I saw Onowu with many voices. Boys, a lot of voices.
Doing what?
They went up. And when I told Onowu told me that Igwe told them that Jidofo would be coming soon. Are you with me? And not only that, they told me that Igwe told them. So they went there in amendment of the road, so that the road will give Jidofo car free passage. Wait, I'm hearing that the guy bought a lot of cars, every of his house.
Wait. Don't tell me it's true. I don't want to believe that this is true. That Jidofo has made enough money and he's coming home to intimidate us.
Iwa, it weren't true. In fact, it weren't truth that this idiot goes to America. I'm coming back with a lot of cases. Wouldn't and couldn't give him enough rights or position to stand and front himself.
To intimidation us, yeah.
Let me not tell you.
It's not possible.
If he let him go to Jamaica, go to Cameroon, and go to London. Let him make all those money and come back. We'll disgrace him with our local champion here. You know money is money now. If money is like, even if money, you know money is money. Whether it's made in a Kulobia or it's made in Umucho or Umuomako or a Kulumilio, money is money. We'll intimidate him with our own money.
Central defense.
Let him go and come back. We are waiting.
So are you talking that we went to see them now?
Go. We are going now. See, but you have to wait for me. Let me go home and call my sister Ada to come and help me stay in my office. I'm coming now, please. In fact, only that boy is hey, from the one came my just help me and carve. I'm start carving. Maybe you will start cutting the person and everything. I will come and meet you. Just wait for me. I'm coming.
The only thing I would talk is that I would wait here till you come back.
Please, if you cannot have the person, tell the person to wait. Stay here. Okay. I will come to Panso.
Okay, I would do it.
I'm not there.
I would do it.
What's that?
Something later to hammer to break this thing.
Okay, now.
So when that thing gets left, then you come over here.
Ben, 4 more sand here. Okay. 4 more sand here. Okay.
My brother, go close to that very one. Just go close to that. Come from here, then cut the other from here. Supervise this.
Oh, no problem.
Let me go over and supervise this.
Okay. Ben, 4 more sand. We have like 15 jeeps that will pass here. So 4 more sand. John, 4 more sand here now. 4 more sand.
You enjoy it.
My brother is God, though. He's God. My brother said that America is heaven. He said he's coming back with a lot of white people. So, you push walk.
Wonderful. Then I want to move. I do your side,
no problem, just walk. Once you guys are loyal to Ben, don't worry. Don't you should not worry. Don't worry.
Why is everyone shouting? Why is everyone shouting? Everyone is talking about Jidofo. Is Jidofo the first person that have been to America? Papa, at times I don't understand you. Obama is somebody's son before he became the president of America. Una never need to chima don't. Because them to end man no na na ekwo na ekwo jidofo. Jidofo eja. All of them mother na aga America ka na aga Umuchu. Some people are going to America as if they are going to Umuchu. Some people are going to America as if they are going to Omoma. But American talk and please let's hear what and talk about another thing. Let me go and sleep.
Do you have the intentions of going there? Eh? My son, why not to use your own initiative? Try to be loyal to Osuofia, his father. So that we expect a good thing from the man when he comes back. There are a lot of things for you to do for him. Look at your mess. They are there. Some doing one thing or the other. I believe by the time the boy comes back, they will get something from him. That you are honest to just to while you're away your time, doing nothing.
Papa, you're talking nonsense. Papa, you're talking nonsense. Let me tell you something. A fool at fault is a fool forever.
But the truth is that this boy has promised to buy a car for every member of that cabinet. Yeah.
What are you
saying? This boy must have made so much money.
What are you talking about?
That means his younger brother must be on money.
Shut up, yeah. I know that is what you say. I've been waiting for you to say something. I know that is the only thing on your mind. Look at you.
Don't mind your brother. He is jealous, okay? Look, if that boy calls you anytime, anywhere, don't hesitate to go and answer him. That boy is going to be on money. He will be bastardly rich.
Mama, this boy, if I ask him to go down to the stream and fetch water from him, he will do it.
If you ask him to go and dry you, he will go and dry you. If one day forever, if one day, if one day, if one need, if one need, in very soon, America, hear my news. I must go to America. Of America. I got one back. I must go to America. You will hear it. I will go to America.
Go, I will like that. At least people will start to respect me.
You want me to go to America?
Like they respect my friend.
Oh, you want to respect you like Ozurumba? Ozurumba.
Yes, now.
Papa, what have you contributed in my life for me to contribute in your life?
Iwa, what's your mouth doing?
Is it not your mate that is Dangote? Dangote, Obokwani, Ruben Kisha, man, all the men in Nigeria.
Do you think?
Is your mate not like TBD? Man, all the men here. No, wait for me to come back and start feeding everybody. Wait for me. Dangote is very rich. Unless someone is very rich. Let me know.
Ogechi, what is the meaning of this?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Today, good morning. I'm just sweeping the compound. I came to help you sweep the compound today.
Thank you very much. You're doing fine.
Thank you so much. Now, after sweeping, I also go and sweep the front.
Thank you.
When you finish, I have some dirty clothes. So you come and collect it and wash it for me, yeah?
Njikok.
I'm hearing you.
Njikok. I have suffered. I have suffered in this village. Hey!
Iwa. What was it that's suffering your head?
Can you imagine Jidofo? Jidofo moto by. Hey! Jidofo is still in America. He's not even yet in Nigeria, not to talk of our village. Yet people are singing praises and hosanna to him as if he's the next king that will come to the world.
Hi. Brother, that was what I'm saying, That was what I'm saying. And imagine.
Brother, won't you go to your shop today? Jiko, good morning.
Morning.
Adobe, please let me not warn you again. That place is not my shop. Rather, it's my office, please.
Office and shop. Are they not the same thing? Okay. Won't you go to your office today?
My friend, get out of this place. Let me communicate with my friend. What's the problem? Eme, did you hear me?
What an interruption, please. Won't you
have respect for your elders? Come get out of this place.
Expose of Central Defense. My brother. I was wondering, anyway, that didn't matter so much. Because what matters is much in this matter now is studying what to do to get money. I'm still studying in my head.
Jiko, you don't understand. This one is not about talking. Well, thank God today is Saturday. Because I'm sure you won't be going to school today. Please let me just go inside and bring my clothes. Let us leave this. Let's just leave this house and go outside and think of a better way to make much money that will befit that of a Jidofo.
You have spoken what I call retrieve of Central Defense. Central Defense Techniques. Number one, I approach him when one reason with our brain, build ourselves. Get away you there.
You know why that this girl was just sleeping and sweeping our house because of you?
Oh, Papa, how can you say it's because of me? Look, Papa, she did it because of Jidofo who is coming back. Oh.
Can't you reason? Every girl around knows that Jidofo is betrothed to Asa. They know there is no road to Jidofo. So the only person they see is you. And that's why all of them are gushing over you.
She came to sweep this compound, but she has been here all these years. Papa, don't worry. It seems you've forgotten who your son is. I will show them. All of them, I'll give them what they want. Iche, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. How are you?
Welcome, sir.
Okay.
Iche, down or down?
Thank you. All right. Asan kambia kenege na asan on awe kenege na onyoma ike na agwo.
You are right.
You know you are so highly regarded and respected in this community. So I just said, let me come and greet you people.
Are you just passing or you came from your house?
No, I came from my house to greet you, to show you my loyalty. You know, you are very important to the community. So I cannot just, I have to come and see you.
Okay, I'm very impressed. In fact, with this gesture,
yes,
I'm going to make sure you are one of the first people I'm going to introduce to my son.
Is that so?
So that the goodies will...
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Nai, I fetched you some water.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right. Go to the backyard. You see a drum there, open drum. Pour it in there.
Okay.
It's Bonwa. You know the way to the backyard?
Yes, I know.
Okay, it's Bonwa.
Young girls of these days are, in fact, I'm impressed with their behavior. Honestly, what they are doing for me and my family now is surprising.
But Ichie, you deserve it even more than what they are doing. Can't you see? Even the grown-ups, men and women, all of them are paying you homage, giving you honor, giving you... Look, you don't hear what they talk about you at your back.
Well, if you people say so, you understand?
Yes.
If you people say so, because that everybody is scoring over, it doesn't mean that. I'm thinking of a time when a man will just sit down, reason out what I'm going to do for the community and come out and do it. Rather than waiting when one man does it.
Yes.
There are people who have even to send their sons over.
It is not what ordinary or normal human being can do. If you were normal, you will hide your own where others hide their own. I am telling you the truth. They sit on their own. They cannot give. That
is the thing.
You don't know what this world is like.
Honestly.
Let me go.
Yeah, Tanojan, how can you come to my place and say you will not have cola? Do you know that a lot of people do not know the significance of Oji? Yes! Oji doesn't mean that.
No, I'm true. I'm coming back later. I want to fetch more water.
Alright. Chidera, see you.
Papa. Oh, okay, Papa.
I have to get home.
If you insist on not taking cola, who am I?
Yeah, we shall meet at the cabinet meeting.
It's alright, I'll be there.
It's okay.
I'll be there.
Thank you very much.
But the masses say you not take cola. It's alright, baby, I'll also.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Alright.
One day, my son day, me too I day, you one day, yes. My pikin in America, in the chop with Obama, they live for White House. Very soon, he go come back with dollars, come back with pounds.
Girls, has it not dawned on you that you should be visiting a Jidofor's house? At least to help them out in some chores.
Okay, Papa, we'll do something about it. Maybe tomorrow.
Because very soon both of you will be married into that family, especially Yasa. And yours may be delayed because Chidera is still a child. You start visiting that place on a daily basis from tomorrow. Because he will soon be back. And I would like to miss the dollars he's coming back with.
Your Highness, why are you so much in love with money?
You will not understand, my daughter. And what is life without money after all?
We have had no problem. Let's do our exercise. We'll start tomorrow.
Yes.
Don't forget from tomorrow because I would like to mix the dollar he's coming back.
Keduzikwana maka igwe o ngongo na onye nkuzi mụnwa kpọsịrị ya igwe mmichaka o ngongo na onye nkuzi maka na ọ bụ ọfụlụ ego kwele ọnwụ o ngongo na onye nkuzi ibulu jeep bịa ịnụba nwa ya o ngongo na.
My daughter does not know what she needs to do. Look at other girls. Everybody is looking for a way to succeed in life, just to get a relationship with Ozurumba's family, and she cannot do it. I'm tired of it. Ada!
Papa, welcome.
Ada, why are you foolish? Why are you so stupid? Ada?
I don't understand though. What are you talking about?
When will you be wise? How many times have I told you what every other girl in this community is doing?
Papa, talk to me now. Stop shouting.
Look at now. Your friends, your so-called friends, have already gotten their ticket into that family, Ozurumba's family.
My friends, Sekwa?
Yes.
Which of them? Friend Munko?
I don't know why you people are so dull in your reasoning.
Which of my friends?
Nai,
Papa?
what is it?
Is it not this your daughter?
My daughter.
I keep talking to them and you are there defending them.
Nai, I still can't understand though.
Our friends are doing everything they can in order to succeed in Ozurumba's family. Some are fetching water. Some are doing every other manner job in that family in order to buy their heart. And now even her own friend, Chioma. What are you saying? Go there and see what is happening. And she will be here eating and drinking and then sleeping. Doing nothing.
Mama, Chioma came. So, I told Chioma that Chidera is dying for me, that he likes me.
Ada!
Papa, those Ozurumba's son.
Ada! Ndị kpọrọ ndị enyi ya etigokwa gị federal hand. They have taken your opportunity.
Never. Oma Menata. Not in this life. Let me go and see her.
Better. Because I would not like to lose my relationship, my friendship with Ozurumba and the family. That was why I left here this morning. You get me?
Now you did well, oh. Even if our daughter cannot succeed, you can by asking Ozurumba's son to take our son to America.
Good! I thank God now you understand my point. You understand my point? That's why for me, my relationship and loyalty to Ozurumba, very soon now will get me a car. Possibly a jeep.
Hey! Oh, no.
They will be here messing themselves up. When I talk to the boy, you will defend. I talk to the girl, you will defend. What do you want to
not
defend?
like that now.
Me! I will treat you. You do her! You will see.
Why we fighting in the middle of the road?
Ask this stupid girl that she's smart. It's you that is stupid. Eh? You see,
What Adamafufu? What is it?
So, both of us are now dragging Chidera and his brother's wealth, isn't it? In this village. Hey! See who is talking. Before Uncle, where were you all this while? Eh? You were close to Chidera, you didn't know. It's not that you realize that Chidera is your neighbor.
Oh, because I told you people I was not interested in Dira. You're not doing favors for them. This one is sweeping the whole compound. This one is fetching water. Have you finished fetching water for your family? Eh? Have you finished sweeping house? Toma, let me warn you for the last time.
Hey, Adabiko, hold your warning. What are you saying? Didn't you tell me you don't like Chidera? All of a sudden you heard the brother is coming back from America. Now you like him.
Oh, that's why you're sweeping everywhere for them.
Yes.
I'm still warning you, Choma. I'm still warning you.
I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this sermon. I am so tired. And you, this stupid girl. Let us see who Chidera will finally take in this village. Okay. About this village. I am.
I will follow you. Look at this short thing. These people are so crazy. Unu na so working and now they notice unu chacha. Useless people. Hey. Chidera and Kemo.
See, they're coming up. Wash your hand, yes.
We bring a very big development to this our community.
You are very correct. Can you imagine that my son and I have started to drive? Who will be driving the car Ozuruba will give to us?
Even as the car has not arrived yet.
Imagine. Honorable, please. Yes, please come. Come and join us.
Wow. What called for this kind of feast?
Please, shift for him. Come and sit in the middle.
I will say no.
Wait.
Oh, God, you're the president. He hasn't gotten this kind of.
Honorable.
You're
welcome.
This is a very big feast.
Yes. Yes. Hold it well now, hold it well.
Why the one that you people have used? I will even need a fresh one. What of your son?
Honorable. My son? Well, he went out with his friend.
You know that boy? He's not supposed to be staying in this community now. I think he has to go to America. Yes.
America?
I'll tell my son.
Hey!
You know if I will take him to America?
America.
Yes.
America. Thank you very much.
I don't like to see any promising young boy lavish his or her life in this community.
You are a blessing, you know.
All of them will have to go to America.
Honorable.
Thank you.
Please don't forget me.
Are you Ben?
Don't worry.
He said Ben.
It's turn by turn.
Honorable, if you finish this one,
go, but I said you should
remember me.
I will remember you when I come to a place and eat this.
You know what will happen? Share from my own. Let Honorable drink this one. Okay. Drink this one. You're welcome. Hi!
Thank you.
See, baby, I am happy that you've realized now that I love you. All this while I've been trying to reason with you, but you're proving hard to get.
Dara, I'm very sorry now. I was doing those things to know what you would do. Why not try to get me no guy?
But do you know you're very lucky?
Lucky for?
Omalicham, you are very lucky. What if I fell in love with your friends?
Eh? Those fools, they are loud. They are at Igwe's palace now. Dara, I'm here for you. Don't look for them again. Anything you want me to do. Or iswakwa or izauno or itutemili. In fact, if you want us to do that thing now, I'm ready to do it.
Okay.
So anything I tell you to do, you will do, ba?
Why am I here?
Hey, Ngwan Kosaloko, let's go inside now. Let me. Yeah, Kosaloko, let me see what you have. You know my brother is coming back from America next week.
Don't forget me, oh. Don't forget me, oh.
I will not.
You want to try me? You want to try me? You want to try me? Eh? You want to try me? You will try me. Very soon.
What is happening here? Wait.
Hey! You!
How come hold on? Wait. Look at it! How come both of you be fighting? Wait now. No. It's okay. Wait. What a central defense. How come both of you be fighting? I thought both of you are just coming from the great palace.
Hey!
Eh? Why you fighting? You look at up like this. What a central defense.
Stop on this stupid girl. Eh? What's fighting here?
No. Okay. You will not only see me. It's okay. You couldn't. Okay. You couldn't. It's okay. Let me decide. No, you couldn't. It's okay. How can you be before fighting? Oh, no. Stop. Stop. You want to kill somebody? No. You want to be killed? You want to be killed? Hey. What is somebody? What a central defense! Oh, easy! You couldn't. Both of you are just coming from Igwe's palace. Wait, no, stop fighting, please. Yes, stop. No, stop. Yes, stop. No, wait. Stop. Hey! It's okay. You will. No.
I'll kill you!
It's not good now to fight!
I'll kill you!
Hey!
Ami, oh. Ami, America. Ami, oh. Ami, America. America, Macau. Ami, America. Okobodo Ibo. Ami, America.
Plan to do a lot of things. It has a small project, we have the medium level project, and then we have the gigantic project. Depends on which one. Do you know, for instance, that he is bringing a bank to our place?
Bank?
Yes.
Nah, your son is not a big boy.
He has always been very, very big. The people do not, now he is bigger. The thing is that I'm going somewhere, I don't know. But if you insist, I will.
Nah, please come in.
Okay. I am trying to see if I can recruit.
Nah, please, what can I bring for you?
It depends on what you have.
Okay, nice. I'm coming.
Until he comes, that's when people will begin to see me in my true color. How do you go? Listen, you know he has, like I was telling you, get me a tumbler. It's a very lucky community. Very, very lucky. In fact, I'm trying to see if I can organize those of our people who are graduates that are roaming around. Yes, they are the first people who is going to recruit in his banks. Because his intention is not in one bank. Yeah, tumbler, only.
Online.
I'm going to make you a promise. You're going to be one of those people to receive loans from my son's bank.
Are you serious? Hey, Nai, Onye Campus.
Go and map out projects that you're going to do.
Hey, Onye Campus.
What is Hey! What is Can you imagine what is going on here? Hey! The way those guys are just fighting for his brother, not even the man himself. Hey! Let me tell you, we are sufferers.
In fact, we are the sufferers. The only thing with us now, we have to dust away to went to Lagos and made money.
Do you know what I'm thinking now? I'm thinking of a way to leave this village I'm traveling to the city very soon. How to sell everything in my office. City. Here I come.
No. Solding what you have. No. Oh, couldn't even solve your problem. No. What could you? In fact, you couldn't even solve them. Are you with me? If you solve them, it will be regarded as a loss of a central defense. You now stand one man. When you stand one man, breeze blow you, you fall. What are you saying?
I said that I would sell everything in my office and you're telling me this.
What do you have? Was it not the table, the umbrella, the creeper, and I pass your neighbor?
Are you not insulting me? What do you mean? What and what do I have?
No. Let me tell you, don't even make it to be a loss, because if you sold them, it will be a loss of a central defense.
Are you not insulting
Nothing
me?
more than that. Let me tell you, I am going as a teacher with degree. I'm going to cover my central defense.
What will you sell as a teacher?
What you are doing now is what we call a central defense achievable and achieves. Kidnap a child, we can have it by kidnapping for 5 plus.
As I am here now, my body is no longer my body. You need to see the way I was walking.
I am not the girl. Me, I'm not the girl, man.
I want you to put my trousers.
You want to be a rapper or a rapist? Or a rapist? Which one are you?
You were coming back from firewood, getting firewood. I saw you.
Now say what you know.
I saw you.
Where did you see me?
If you want to marry her, tell us. Now you remember it's there. No, Zurumba. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome, sir. Sit down. Now, welcome, sir. Thank you. What do you? You see, now we stood up because you know you are the messiah of our village, now.
Well, by the grace of God, it is not my making. I am just a human.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Nai, we have heard all your son is trying to do for our community.
Oh, you haven't had anything. In fact, if I begin to, I told your wife had to hear. I gave your wife all the plans of what my son intends to do for this community.
Hey! Nai, please don't forget us.
No.
Biko.
My wife may not tell me.
No, your wife will tell you. You know why? Because your wife is going to benefit from it. I already promised her that she's going to be one of the beneficiaries from my son's bank. She'll be given a loan.
Hey! Nai, wait, you mean your son has a bank?
Bank is one of the things. He has plans for schools, a lot of other things.
Bring one bottle of drink for Nayo's.
How are you?
One bottle of drink for Nayo's.
Why are you wicked?
How no? Ude?
How can you buy night drinks when I wanted to do that?
That's the problem. You buy your own, I buy my own.
Okay, don't worry. Nne, please bring 5 more bottles for Nayo's. Each of them one. Nnaj, let's see who will surrender.
Okay, come on.
Come on, you
can.
Forget about that one.
No. If I'm asking, I can
one on the cake is in Dikeh.
Okay.
You want to try me?
Bring 5 bottles for Nayo's Rumba. 5 bottles. I make it 1 carton.
1 carton.
You want to try me? You want to try me?
Ebo Mog. You people are making challenge. At whose expense? Who is going to suffer? It's my stomach that's going to suffer. Even if they say you put a funnel and then pour it. No. I will take 1 from you. I will take 1 from you. Away, Pamela. You want me to drink and then fall sick? Take these ones back. Let me be taking it 1-1.
You said I should take it back.
Take it back. Take it back.
Oh, can't go drink wine.
Can't go drink wine. I'm not sharing wine. You know that my son had plans of even building a school. I told him to do it in phases. Build the bank, let the bank cooperate. As the bank is operating, and I said bring glass. As the bank is operating, then we can build school.
Now my I will conquer. I will dig the foundation and I will make sure that I take care of the remaining part of the laboring. I will pay the laborers. You will be part of my laborers. You will be the laborer under me.
I will be here. No be small.
Give it to me. I'm telling you. Break your hold. Break your hold. This woman. Okay. Come. What's wrong with you? What?
Naji does not care for me and my children. He will be going to other place to buy drinks while I sell drinks. He will not buy from my own shop.
Is it true?
Nah, ask her.
She is a lie.
Naji, if what she said is true, then you are wrong. I met you with some of your friends drinking somewhere. I never even knew that your wife sells the same commodity in her own shop. Why would you go and spend your money in other people's shops when your wife sells the same commodity? Or don't you realize that what she sells is what brings food on your table? What you should even do is to bring more customers to your wife so that she can make more money and bring home for your upkeep. That's how a man reasons. Not whatever she calls it. You are the husband, you are the head of the family. Your mind should be on the economy always. And you, it's not, look at the way you collared your husband. And you see some young men, they will slap you and you will come to fight. You don't hold your husband like that. That's the respect you have in this community. By tradition, by any tradition of any community. It's wrong.
No, I'm sorry.
You should be. Naji, I don't want you people know that soon my son will come. And my intention is to sanitize this village. Change a lot of things myself and my son. Even the Igwe is trying to see the possibility of my even taking over the throne. Because he knows what I and my family and my son can do to this village. Supposing I become the Igwe, do you think I'm going to tolerate this kind of thing? I won't. In fact, I will penalize you for this disgrace.
No, you are very sorry, sir.
Bikon, better be. Go home, make peace. Think of what I told you. You people, you are a lucky couple. Think about your positives. Eh? Those are your blessings you should be counting. Go. Bikon.
Thank you.
Yes. Alright, when my son comes, I will invite you people again.
So that we'll go and make peace with her.
Makano nwere ego ma ha bịa na nke ndị nwere ego okwu ọbụla ga-abụ eziokwu ha bịa na nke ndị nwere ego.
Papa, you are really enjoying it. Papa, give me one now. Look at my dog.
You are already with the glasses, with tumbler.
Papa, only you will not enjoy this thing. No, pour for me now.
So you came with cup with all confidence that I'm good. Who told suppose that I'm not going to give you?
No, Papa, I know you will give me now.
Open this one.
Hey, Papa, eh? Guy.
Listen,
Papa, you're really enjoying
it. You
it.
should be my son. Say to other elders, that's the way they worship me. What God came the other day was like, I am all and all to them.
Papa, see, if you see the way our village girls are fighting over me, submitting their body to me one after the other. I'm not the one that is coming back from America. It's Jide. So I just imagine what they will do to Jide if Jide comes back.
They will not do Jide anything because I can't Jide. Nasa is not going to allow anybody to come to it. Do you know why you feel they are gushing over you now? That's because I told you that as soon as Jide comes back, he's taking it away. That is why they rush up and why they don't like around.
Ah, Papa, I'm very happy that you told them.
Freely.
Be careful. Papa, I'm very happy that you told them. In fact, Papa, keep telling them. Tell the whole villagers that I will soon join my brother in America. Look at the other one. What's that her name? Ada. Papa, do you know that Ada is submitting her body free of charge to me now?
Free of charge in Abadu. They are giving you their body freely. So will they give you gonorrhea? Freely.
Papa.
So will they give you HIV? Freely. And so will you die freely. So be careful. You should be aiming higher, like your father. You know where my eyes are? On that road. Yes. That is how we make things.
Papa, you want to be the Igwe?
Of course.
Hey! In fact, Papa, go and tell the Igwe to step down. Go and tell him to step down.
You don't be thinking about diplomacy. You understand? The highest thing I can do if I want to come to Nigeria is as soon as Jidofo comes back, I will need to drive you to go with her home. You understand? That is how
Papa, I can't wait to be the prince soon. Hey, so I'll be the prince in this village.
If you are not submitting to freedom, because all these things are now free of charge. Free of charge, you keep people on free.
Papa, now you know me, I'll play safe now.
One day, my son day, me too I day, you one day, yes. My pikin in America, in the chop with Obama, oh. They live for White House. Very, very soon, he go come back with dollars, come back with pounds, and many other things. Chai. We go to share Jeep, one after the other.
What's the Are you mad? Is this your compound? Step on the man now. Look at me. You allow this again? Are you mad? Are you fine if you allow this fellow to come into this compound? Are you not sure about
Papa, come on. I don't want to fight you. Hey, I said, what's that now?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Let go! You want to take my boyfriend away from me? You want to work for you! You want to take my boyfriend away from me? You don't know what to do. Ask me your booty, I'll kill you!
Listen! What's that your name? Ada, come. Don't cry.
Is she better than I am? Huh? Please, you are my own. Whether you like it or not.
You're happy now, eh? You are happy now, eh?
No. Give him. Let me have him. Take your broom. Oh, my dear. You can go. Hey, come, go get them broom.
So you are happy now, eh? No. You are happy now.
Go and get broom.
Okay, now.
No, I hope you're fine.
I'm fine if you people let me be fine.
Nah, you'll be fine. Everything is fine now.
Why would she come here, eh? She wants to come and take what belongs to me.
What do you mean? Do you know you are princesses? Do you know you are a princess?
Yes, and I.
You think you carry yourself as one? Coming to fight because of sweep? Is anybody taking away what belongs to you?
She wants to take Chidera from me.
She doesn't want, she's trying to sweep. Chidera is not buried in the ground. And I'm so surprised at you. You're the first princess. Do you know that? Why would you fight? The two of you fighting one girl. You know it's a very big scandal. If you should go into this very community, you're finished.
She get us broom.
Get them broom. Let us sweep.
Hi! What is the meaning of this? What is this? Papa, I can't believe that you supported Ada going to sweep Osuofia compound when it's hard for her to sweep ours. Papa, why will you support that?
Yeah, but do it yourself. Eh? What she has gone to do there is for some reason. She has some reasons for doing that.
She sweep the compound.
Yes.
That she went there to sweep for a reason.
Eba,
Again.
it's okay. Eh?
Mommy, look why Papa.
It's okay. Go to your shop. I will sweep the compound.
Mama, because call this ceremony again. Call this ceremony again. It's not my shop, it's my office. Because, Mama, where will Ada leave my equipment? My office equipment. Ada left it behind just to go and sweep someone else's compound. Odimma! Odimma! I'm not fair. Mbamba!
Ada, what is it?
So I left this thing and you left it too. I left the equipment and you left it too. Ada.
Allow her, my friend. Allow her.
Ada, your
Can't you look at your sister's face?
What is it, Ogini?
It's not man answer that came to fight me.
What?
That's Rimetio.
Igwe's daughter?
Why now?
They met me there and started fighting me. See me here.
God, what have I done? What have I done? How did he put me into this family? When would they be to you? What were you expecting? Mama, what were you people expecting when a grown lady, Bunyo Kanofenelu, left her house to Zulumba's her compound? Listen, look at my equipment. She didn't even carry my equipment to my office to sweep their compound. They would have given you a bit of their life. I didn't even see scared. There is no man. They will soon beat you. Stop beating her again. This is small.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
And that's why you we now have some office. It doesn't matter some office. Look at my office equipment. These are my office equipment. Papa, and when he now, and when you want, I don't know now. Papa, when he now, take away never not what's out. Take away what's out. Oh, take it up, but you eat here on daily basis. You from my you eat here on daily basis.
Why it's okay? Nai, you know what I'm so good. What are you going to do?
I'm finished. If Igwe hears this, he will not take it kindly with me. He won't take it kindly with me. Look, the other day, he almost banished 2 girls for fetching water and sweeping the compound. We are in trouble. I am going to prepare now to go to Ozurumba.
Because before Igwe banish here, because I know they will soon banish here. Let her come and take my equipment to my office. Ada,
Chidera, send this and let me go to the backyard. Go pass through the.
Hey, Dad, come on, let's go, man. Let's go. Stop, man. Say welcome to your nigga. Say welcome to your nigga.
Welcome to my nigga.
Oh, Dad, let's bounce.
Yeah, that's my brother.
Hey, yo, motherfucker.
That's my brother. Yes, he's coming.
Come on, man.
That's my brother.
Fuck you, man.